Run the code online or download from codecademy.com, link in the description below. Title: Getting Started with Python Projects on Codecademy. Introduction. Codecademy is an online platform that offers interactive coding courses to help beginners learn programming languages like Python. One of the best ways to apply what you've learned is by working on projects. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to get started with Python projects on Codecademy, including how to choose projects, access them on the platform, and work through them with code examples. Step 1. Choose a project. When you log into Codecademy, navigate to the Python course section. Here, you'll find various projects listed under the Projects tab. These projects cover a range of topics and difficulty levels, from beginner-friendly tasks to more advanced challenges. Choose a project that aligns with your current skill level and interests. For beginners, projects like number guessing or Mad Libs can be excellent starting points. If you're more experienced, consider tackling projects like data analysis or web scraping. Step 2. Access the project. Once you've selected a project, click on it to access the project page. Here, you'll find instructions, objectives, and sometimes hints to guide you through the project. Read through the instructions carefully before you start coding. Step 3. Work through the project. Most Codecademy projects provide an interactive coding environment where you can write and test your code directly in the browser. Follow the instructions provided and write your code in the designated code editor. Let's take an example of a number guessing project. In this example, we import the random module to generate a random number between 1 and 100. Then, we prompt the user to guess the number and provide feedback based on whether their guess is too high, too low, or correct. The game continues until the user guesses the correct number. Step 4. Test your code. After writing your code, test it using various inputs to ensure it behaves as expected. Debug any errors or issues that arise by carefully reviewing your code and the project instructions. Step 5. Submit your project. Once you've completed the project and tested your code thoroughly, submit it for review. Codecademy will provide feedback on your solution and may offer suggestions for improvement. Conclusion. Working on projects is a crucial aspect of learning programming, and Codecademy provides an excellent platform to practice your skills. By choosing projects that interest you and following the provided instructions, you can strengthen your Python skills and build confidence in your coding abilities. So, pick a project, dive in, and happy coding. ChatGPT.